Hi, welcome to the Cashback Rewards Tracker. This is a simple template which will help keep track of all your cashback rewards under one glance. So in this template on the left side we can see a quick summary section which shows the total estimated rewards that you have set in your mind, the rewards that you have earned so far, the difference in between them both, and the percentage of estimated rewards that you have earned so far. On the right side we can see three different sections, that is the category section, the overview section, and the expenses. Under categories you can set all your different expenses under various categories. Here we have added three sample categories like shopping, travel, and groceries. If you want to add a new category, simply scroll to the right and click on this plus over here to add a new category. Similarly, under every category we have got three different subcategories. Like under shopping we have electronics, fashion, and home and kitchen. And under every subcategory you can set your budgeted amount of how much rewards you are expected to make under each of these expense. If you want to add a new category, new subcategory under a particular category, click on this new over here to add a new subcategory. If you want to edit any of the subcategories, simply click on this pencil icon to edit all these details, and you can click on this amount value to set your own budgeted estimated rewards for your particular expense. Like if I change this figure, everything else will update on the left side that you can see. Then we have the rewards overview, which shows how much rewards you have earned in comparison to the estimated rewards that you had set, and the percentage of estimated rewards that you earned so far under every subcategory for different categories. Finally, under the expenses side, you can set your own expenses that you're incurring on a daily basis. So in the first we have a date field. Once you click on this, a date menu will pop up. You can select the date from here. Then you have the description, and under account section, you can select this particular subcategory to which the particular expense relates to. And then you can set the amount over here of how much rewards you have earned from this particular expense. This will automatically update everything on the left side. This is just a sample template. It can be customized as per your own requirement. If you need any customization in this regard, feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. I'll be happy to assist you on this.